Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the lock and door. Install 4 AA batteries and confirm polarity, then remove the old thumb turn so the deadbolt operates freely. Once done, align the Lavna backplate with the spindle and hand tighten the provided screws to hold it in place. Make sure the internal latch moves smoothly before fully tightening. You want the mechanism centered. If the bolt binds, loosen and realign. This keeps you from reinstalling and correcting misalignment later. You now pair and configure the lock. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Lavna app, and create or sign into an account, then follow prompts. Put the lock into pairing mode by pressing the program button until the LED blinks and accept the device and app. Next, calibrate the bolt travel so the motor knows open and closed positions. This ensures reliable operation. Finally, add PIN codes, guest schedules, and set auto-lock timing so access works the way you expect. You finish by testing every access method. Use the app, enter a PIN, and operate the thumb turn manually. Perform 3 consecutive cycles to confirm reliability. Share guest access and set permissions, then enable firmware updates in the app to keep security current. Make a habit of checking battery percentage periodically. If something goes wrong, try recalibrating the lock first. If the motor stalls or behaves slowly, replace the 4 AA batteries and rerun calibration. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.